Tahini, which is obtained from ground sesame, which provides incredible benefits to the human body with its rich vitamins, minerals and quality oils, slows the development process of many physiological diseases when 1 tablespoon is consumed per day. What are the benefits of tahini, and who should be careful when consuming? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to its advantages. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular tahini consumption? Tahini is a source of the highest quality unsaturated fatty acids compared to vegetable oils produced today. In addition, magnesium in its content regulates blood circulation, relaxes muscles and has positive effects on blood pressure. Same time, while the beneficial fatty acids contained in tahini support the growth of beneficial probiotic bacteria in the intestine, the antioxidant substances it contains minimize the intestinal flora problems in the digestive system. Tahini, which supports the whole digestive system to work more efficiently, helps to relieve swelling in the stomach and intestine. On the other hand, tahini is very rich in fatty acids, which have important functions such as balancing the amount of sugar in the blood and controlling the way it is used by the body. Tahini reduces the glycation formation process with the high-quality fatty acids it contains, ensures slow absorption of sugar in the intestinal tissue and prevents the rapid rise of the other. 1 tablespoon of tahini against diseases. Tahini has 3 important nutrients: iron, copper and zinc. These compounds not only stimulate the production of antioxidant cells, but also seek out free radicals in the body and neutralize them without damaging healthy cells. This contributes to the efforts of the immune system to prevent diseases caused by pathogenic bacteria and viruses. It also accelerates fat burning thanks to the calcium and fatty acids it contains. And when consumed at the right rate, it does not raise our blood sugar and prolongs the time of satiety. Tahini for a healthier brain structure. With healthy omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, tahini, which heals the nervous tissues in the body, increases brain functions with magnesium and potassium, and prevents the formation of mental stress. In addition, the vitamin B derivatives contained in tahini increase the efficiency of the cells in the nerve tissues and cause the quality of brain functions to decrease. Tahini for a healthier skin structure. Sesame contains a high amount of zinc, which renews the skin and promotes the production of zinc from healthy water. Zinc, which keeps the skin active and supple, fights the effects of aging by repairing damaged tissues. In addition, the fatty acids and antioxidants in its structure have cell regenerative properties. This is very beneficial for hair growth, repair and hydration. Tahini, which increases the circulation quality, helps the hair follicles to be fed in a quality manner. It strengthens each hair strand, especially reducing hair loss caused by iron deficiency. So how much, when and how should tahini be consumed, and who should be very careful while consuming it? First of all, let me state that the strong compounds in it make tahini high calorie, so it is not right to consume it excessively, and if it is not consumed in a controlled manner, it can lead to weight problem. In addition, if tahini, which has an intense probiotic content, is consumed too much and in a short time, it can invade the digestive system more than necessary and cause discomfort in the stomach and intestine. Therefore, it is very important to set the amount correctly. On the other hand, sesame extract is among the substances used by the medical world to make medicine. Therefore, tahini consumption has the potential to interact with some medication. If you have to use medication continuously, please consult your doctor before consuming it. Well, how much tahini should be consumed? Experts recommend consuming 1 tablespoon of tahini 2 to 3 days a day, especially during the seasonal transitions when the metabolism slows down, the immune system drops and the body has to adapt. In the light of this information, you can add it to your nutrition program and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourself.